Assalamualaikum and a very good evening everyone. So as usual, I will do the weekly analysis for this week. Okay, so let's start with Euro CHF. Okay, so on previous week we do not take any action for Euro CHF but did draw a zone here. But eventually when I see the price action here, I would like to see in daily that price eventually will respect this, but seeing this price action, I am most likely to wait inside this space. Okay, so I will delete this one. Okay, this is from the previous one that we hit our stop loss, so delete all selected. This one also delete. Okay, can this one be our zone? Let's see. We will make this longer. Alright, let's look on H4 if we can have a buy opportunity. Okay, maybe we can take this swap zone. Okay, as we are expecting price to go up here about 92 pips, maybe we can have a buy position or a long position inside this zone and went up to this resistance channel. So let's look at the zone. Okay, so that's about 17 pips, 18 pips, very reasonable and small risk zone. So let's draw a line. Okay, so price can go down here and went up there. Okay, to this zone. Okay, alright, so that is about 17 pips, 70 pips. Okay, so that's it for Euro CHF. Let's move on to USD CHF. Price hit our break even. Okay, and not break even, it hit our stop loss. Okay, it's about 27 pips, but I remember I did make a little profit from it. I think it's around here. Price did drop about 16 pips. Okay, from here, from this zone, if we calculate from this zone, it's about 17 pips before it shoot up and hit our stop loss. So it's okay, it's part of the trading. Okay, sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. So for USD CHF, finally it went inside this golden zone, so maybe we can still wait inside there. So we change our plan. Okay, so price from there to there. Let's see, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so what we can expect is price from here, you need to break this zone, and maybe if we want to go far, you need to retrace back here and went down. Okay, so this is a trading plan. So we are expecting price to go up here inside this zone and went down, retraced back to this zone and went furthermore. But if price cannot break this zone, price can still go up and respecting this trend line. Okay, so either how, we just need to wait for price action, and we can still make a few profit from there, about 30 pips or 56 pips. Alright, so that's it for USD CHF. Okay, so right now we are looking at NZD-JPY on H4. So over here, price did went inside a zone and reacted. just about 17 pips before it also hit our stop loss. Okay, so we got a few beginning pairs that hit our stop loss. So let's see if NZDJPY still have the chance to go down. Okay, so if we look here, price did react with this area. Okay, so maybe we can still have the chance to take this trade. Okay, it is still did not break our channel, so the zone is about 57 pips. If this is too big for some of you, just stay out of it or use a proper money management to take the trade. Okay, and our expected target is about 230 pips for NZDJPY. So we move this here and up to here. Okay, this is also a good level. This is resistance become support, so we delete this one. This is our failed entry. So let's see what price will do on NZDJPY. So we will move on to GBP NZD. This one gave us a lot of profit, so we targeted that price will be inside this zone. Okay, and it go about 149 pips before it went down and floats about 47 pips and almost reach our take profit. Okay, almost. Okay, so that is about 197 pips, and I'm still running about 129 pips. Okay, so for NZDJPY, nothing much I can say because price is still in the middle range, but still I am hoping for it to at least touch our level. Can it touch our level? Just watch the trend line. Okay, so for NZDJPY, we just hold our position. Alright, that's it. So let's look at Euro USD. Okay, so price did went down here. Okay, went down and to the point when it reached this zone, it went up here. So if you still want to hold that this sell, we need for it to break this zone first. Okay, need to break this zone first before we can do anything about it. Okay, so delete, and before we close our trade or you want to hold, we can draw an imaginary level that price cannot break this and went down. Okay, but you can also enter it as an intraday or scalping. Right, so maybe like this. Okay, so that is about 42 pips and the zone is about 12 pips. Okay, maybe we can have a trade here. Okay, okay, so just above that zone is our stop loss, so the zone is about, the risk is about 15 pips. So fair enough, because we are still want to hold the position until it break this gray zone. So let's move on to GBP CHF. Finally, I did not remember how many weeks we wait for this entry to take profit, but it's finally reached our zone. Okay, so right now price from our entry is right here. Okay, so it's about 465 pips. Okay, finally, and it has consolidated about 29 days, almost a month, and it also did not break our warning level. And if you see here, this is the entry I took. Okay, so if from my entry is about 416 pips. Okay, so in this zone, can we have an instant entry? Okay, it will be dangerous because price is moving in an uptrend. So if price do want to sell here, it will give us a definite price action. Okay, but right now we just need to wait. Okay, hold our entry, or you can also close your buy for GBP CHF. If we will have a sell position, we will have a price action. So for now, price just reached that level, and we will see next week if we can have a trade for short in GBP/F, or price will still be going up. Alright, so let's move on to USD JPY. This one also profit. Okay, so this one float about 19 pips before it went up about 160 pips, and we target it hit over here in this channel about 223 pips. Okay, so that's it for USD JPY. Alright, so we just hold our position. So for okay, this one is my other trades. Okay, so that's it, I think. Okay, for USD JPY. Oh, NZD CAD. This one from my analysis, I don't remember. This one I shared inside my Shadowcodes Academy. Okay, is this one from I don't quite remember. Alright, I think that's it until USD JPY. Okay, so that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend, and I hope you can get benefit from my sharing. We have a few losses like in USD CHF, NZD JPY, and GBP NZD. Oh no, we only have losses in a two pair, and other pair, some of it give profit and some of it we are still holding the position. So I hope you can get benefit from it. You can share it with your friend if you think they can get benefit from it too. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice weekend. Bye.